In the early 1990s, many people missed out on the internet because words like modem, router, and web browser seemed too intimidating. Today, those words are common, and 99.5% of the population is paying to use those technologies. In comparison, less than 0.5% are getting paid because they invested in them. What if you can invest your time in a technology expected to dwarf what happened in the 1990s? In the next few minutes, you can discover what thousands have already, a practical crawl, walk, run strategy for emerging e-commerce on the same technology that powers global cryptocurrency, the blockchain. What if you could make more money selling on the blockchain and get paid for buying on the blockchain? The opportunity is immense and even overwhelming, so much so we can't do this alone. We're reaching out to people just like you to take a role in the next big thing. On the blockchain ecosystem, our entrepreneurs leverage the power of Wall Street technologies to reach customers on Main Street. The magic is using our big data approach to identify the perfect ideal customer profile and create web traffic directly to your product offering on the blockchain. Now think about this. Visualize your website having thousands of customers visiting your page daily. What would you consider reasonable to convert and purchase from you? Here's an interesting factoid. In 2020, according to Entrepreneur Magazine, the conversion rate of a cold market email was 15.11%. Let's do some quick math together. What if 3%, not 15%, of 1,000 unique website visits converted to purchase your product? That is 30 new customers a day. If your profit was $10 per product, that is $2,100 a week in earnings for you. Imagine if you can convert more at even higher margins. Would you be ready to join? No product, no problem. We will find one for you. Join one of the marketplaces on our blockchain ecosystem today.